The topic of today's video is how to install APK files on PC. So the first thing would be to navigate to BlueStacks, their website, and that's just bluestacksapp.com, but I'll post it in the video. And then you just want to click on download BlueStacks right over here. So BlueStacks is an Android emulator and it's one of the best ones, well, the only one I've ever actually tried, so I'd be lying if I said it was the best. And once that's done downloading, what you want to do is just navigate to wherever your download location is and just click on the BlueStacks installer. And it's going to begin downloading some very large files and installing them. Alright, so now BlueStacks is installed and we have the option to use Google Play if you feel like signing in with your Google Play account, which is a long drawn out thing to do. Alternatively though, you can go for the easy route and just go to the sidebar here and just click on install APK, and then that's going to open your browser and you can just navigate to wherever your APK download is and press open and it'll install normally just like a Play Store install. Only thing is it won't automatically update, so just keep that in mind. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.